Embark on a journey through timeless wisdom with 20 powerful lessons inspired by Seneca, the Stoic philosopher. These lessons aren't just relics of the past. They are guiding lights that show us the path to personal growth and resilience in today's world. Whether you're a seasoned seeker of wisdom or just beginning your journey, these lessons will inspire and guide you. It's not about achieving perfection, but about improving every day. Imagine these lessons as keys to unlocking a purposeful and strong life. Get ready for this journey as we explore Seneca's teachings in a way that fits our modern lives. Apply these lessons daily and watch as they illuminate the path to becoming your best self. Let's dive into this wisdom. It's time to unleash your potential. 1. Choose your circle wisely. Seneca emphasized the importance of carefully selecting your influences. While we can't choose our parents, Seneca urged us to be selective about our friends and role models. Consider the people you spend the most time with. Do they uplift and inspire you, or do they bring you down? Making a conscious choice about who influences you is crucial. It's like the air you breathe, deeply affecting your well-being. Surround yourself with those who challenge and support you, leading by example, guiding you toward becoming the person you aspire to be. 2. Embrace challenges for growth. Seneca believed that real growth occurs outside our comfort zones. Life often presents us with opportunities to step out of our familiar spaces, whether it's a new work project, a challenging fitness goal, or a personal fear. Seneca encouraged us not to shy away from these challenges, but to face them head-on, embracing them as opportunities to discover our true potential. Like a superhero training ground, it's in these tough moments that we uncover our inner greatness. 3. Guard your time like a treasure. Time is invaluable, much like a precious treasure. Seneca advised us to consider carefully how we spend our time each day, ensuring that our activities align with our values and aspirations. By managing our time wisely, we create opportunities for personal growth and fulfillment. Reflect on the moments that make up your life, prioritize them, and allocate your time to what truly matters to you, treating each passing moment as a cherished resource to be used purposefully. 4. Empowerment in your response. Life is like a roller coaster, full of surprises and unexpected turns. Seneca's wisdom here is simple yet powerful. It's not about what happens to you, but how you respond to it. Think about a time when things didn't go your way. Did you let it define you, or did you bounce back? Your reaction is your superpower, allowing you to shape the narrative of your life. When faced with challenges, take a step back, breathe, and respond with wisdom and strength, showcasing your resilience. 5. Prioritize the essential. Life is like a busy marketplace filled with distractions. Seneca's advice is to focus on what truly matters, saying yes to the things that align with your goals and values. Each yes is a promise. Your time and energy are valuable, so invest them wisely in what truly counts. In the grand scheme of life, it's not about doing a million tasks, but about dedicating yourself to what aligns with your purpose, transforming your journey. 6. Command your actions. Seneca believed that self-discipline is the key to personal growth. Being in charge of yourself means resisting instant rewards in favor of long-term success. It's about taking control of your life and making choices that lead to lasting victories. Mastering yourself is a skill that grows stronger over time, and it's this mastery that builds a strong foundation for personal growth. 7. Embrace challenges for growth. Facing challenges is like a workout for your character. It makes you stronger. Whether it's a tough physical task, a tricky problem to solve, or a challenging relationship, leaning into the hard things is where true strength is found. Instead of avoiding difficult situations, embrace them as opportunities to build resilience and grow. Challenges are where your character is forged and your true potential is realized. 8. Empower others for happiness. Helping others grow is a shortcut to happiness, not by judging or controlling them, but by being a positive influence. Think about the impact you have on those around you. Are you helping them become their best selves? By lifting others up, you not only boost their growth, but also improve your own character. This creates a ripple effect of goodness, leaving a lasting legacy of inspiration. 9. Cultivate gratitude. Gratitude is a hidden treasure in Stoic philosophy. Take a moment each day to appreciate what you have, from the small joys to the big wins. Gratitude isn't just a feel-good practice. It's a powerful tool that strengthens your inner self and keeps you positive, even when things get tough. It's a reminder of the abundance in your life, guiding you through challenges with a bright outlook. 10. Embrace lifelong learning. Seneca encouraged continuous self-improvement, viewing life as a lifelong learning adventure. Learning isn't a one-time event, it's an ongoing journey. Every bit of knowledge you gain enhances your adaptability and resilience. By embracing lifelong learning, you equip yourself with the tools needed not just to survive, but to thrive in an ever-changing world. 11. Courage and vulnerability. Vulnerability is not a weakness, but a hidden strength. It's about admitting imperfections and facing fears, which leads to genuine human connections and personal growth. When you allow yourself to be vulnerable, you welcome authenticity into your life, deepening your relationships and building resilience. Embracing vulnerability is a journey toward meaningful connections and becoming a stronger version of yourself. 12. Thrive through challenges. Life is filled with tough times, but instead of viewing them as roadblocks, see them as opportunities for personal growth. Every setback, no matter how difficult, is a chance to become stronger and wiser. Challenges polish your character and build the resilience needed to face life's uncertainties. Don't just endure tough moments. Use them as stepping stones to become a more resilient and insightful version of yourself. 13. Harness the power of reflection. Regular reflection is like having a compass for your self-discovery journey. By taking time to reflect on your day, choices, and goals, you gain insight into your strengths and weaknesses. This intentional self-examination allows you to make conscious changes, steadily moving toward becoming the best version of yourself. Reflection is a simple yet powerful tool for personal evolution. 14. Nurture a strong mindset. Your mindset is the architect of your life. Seneca emphasized the power of a strong mindset in shaping our actions and destiny. Focus on fostering a mindset that highlights solutions, not problems, and opportunities, not obstacles. A resilient mindset equips you to face challenges with grace and determination, leading to a more empowered and determined you. 15. Stay true to your values. Your values are your guiding stars in life. Seneca encouraged living in tune with these important principles. When your daily choices align with your values, you live authentically and with purpose. This alignment brings integrity, meaning, and joy into your life, serving as a reliable guide through life's challenges and ensuring a more fulfilling journey. 16. Embrace technology mindfully. In today's tech-driven world, technology is a powerful tool, but using it wisely is key. Balance tech time with me time to keep your mind healthy and happy. Take breaks from screens to recharge and engage in activities you love without gadgets. Remember, you control the technology. It's not the boss of you. 17. Foster inclusivity and diversity. The world is a big, diverse place, and embracing different perspectives enriches our lives. Each person you meet is like a unique puzzle piece, adding more colors to the big picture of life. Celebrate differences, learn from others, and share your own experiences. By fostering inclusivity, we create a more vibrant and exciting world. 18. Adapt to change proactively. Life is an adventure full of surprises and changes. Adapting to change is like having a superhero power. It's about being flexible and ready for anything. Instead of seeing change as a problem, view it as an opportunity to grow and learn. Embrace change and turn it into a new chapter in your amazing adventure. 19. Prioritize mental health. Your mind is like a garden that needs care. Self-care is essential for maintaining a healthy mental garden. Engage in activities that bring you joy. Take breaks when needed, and don't hesitate to seek help when necessary. Treat your mind with kindness and nurture it with self-care, knowing that a healthy mind leads to a happy life. 20. Foster global citizenship. Think of the world as one big neighborhood where everyone is connected. Being a global citizen means understanding that challenges faced by others across the world are part of our shared story. Engage in making the world a better place, using empathy to connect with others globally. A small act of kindness can have a ripple effect that resonates across the world. These 20 timeless lessons, inspired by Seneca and presented with a modern touch, have the potential to shape your life positively. They're not about achieving perfection, but about making continual progress. I challenge you to embrace these principles, infuse them into your daily life, and witness their transformative power. This journey isn't about reaching a flawless state. It's about evolving and becoming a better version of yourself each day. Thank you for your time and attention. If these principles resonate with you, I invite you to connect further by liking and subscribing. By doing so, you support the content and join a community devoted to perpetual learning and advancement. Your engagement fuels our shared quest for valuable insights. Thank you for being a vital part of this journey, and together, let's continue exploring the wisdom that propels us toward our best selves.